Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for investors, recognizing the warning signs of a potential stock market crash. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding these signals can help you protect your investments and make informed decisions. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Our first warning sign is overvaluation. Picture this, a stock's price soaring to new heights, but its underlying fundamentals don't justify the hype. That's a classic case of overvaluation. Keep an eye on metrics like the PE ratio and PB ratio to spot overvalued stocks before they come crashing down. Next up, we have economic indicators. The health of the economy plays a significant role in the performance of the stock market. Pay attention to indicators like GDP growth, unemployment rates, and consumer spending. A downturn in these indicators could spell trouble for the market. Moving on to our third signal, insider trading. When insiders start selling off their shares in droves, it could be a sign that they know something we don't. Keep a close watch on insider trading activity to gauge market sentiment and potential future developments. Another important factor to consider is market sentiment. Investor sentiment can swing from extreme optimism to fear in a matter of days, driving stock prices to dizzying heights or plunging depths. Look out for indicators like sentiment surveys and fear and greed indices to gauge market sentiment. And finally, we have technical analysis patterns. Patterns like head and shoulders, double tops, and descending triangles can offer valuable insights into market trends and potential reversals. Learning to read these patterns can give you an edge in anticipating market movements. There you have it, folks. 5 warning signs of a looming stock market crash. Remember, staying informed and vigilant is key to navigating the ups and downs of the market. Do your research, seek professional advice, and most importantly, trust your instincts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing!